Sup, PS players? Home Guru Magnus here to take you through this week's virtual item showcase. Starting off on a friendly foot, we've got tigers in black, orange, and white. From cute fairies and mermaids to hot dogs, we've got something for everyone. Paparazzi! Skate or die with the Skater Desperado costume for the dudes. And the Jammer Girl Derby costume for the chicks. For the sports fans out there, we've got the Superfan Sports Furniture Bundle to get any room ready for game day. Take your ice game to the next level with the Diamond Man outfit. Or get your rock on with the electric guitar. Ladies, pay close attention to these next items, starting with the Agent 77 bundle. We've also got several tattoo and lace corset options, as well as an assortment of perfectly pretty ponchos. And lastly, today's steal of a deal, the Ultimate Slice Furniture Set Bundle. That wraps it up for this week's VIS, but we'll be back next week, so don't stress. Magnus, out!